good part of working with 10xAcademy is to have first, it started with the roundtables where a lot of fundamentals where you learn from theory. You start collaborating with your peers, you learn from them, and then there are a lot of subject matter experts, industry leaders from whom you learn. Over the last 1 year, we have been fortunate enough to pull in Psyche and Neeraj, Bini and other team members of X to 10x for various aspects, right from building the right strategy, leadership hiring, and every now and then the scale of the business changes. So once you cross that chasm, having someone like X to 10x is super important to use them as sounding board and use them for scaling. Right from the SaaS tools to the outside-in perspective which X to 10x brings is very valuable. Most important starts with strategy, like identifying which TG to go after and which market to go after. What is your year one strategy and how do you build it? Year one strategy basis your 3-year goal. And in order to hit those 1-year goal, how do you build the quarterly roadmap? I think the thoughtfulness with which X to 10x has helped us is of immense help. So in our annual operating plan exercise, we internally first consumed a lot of data, worked with Psyche, worked with Sonali, Neeraj in terms of laying down this into a quarterly roadmap, and then putting those large points, whether it could be how to target a particular customer, how to build your ATL plan. For that you need to do a lot of consumer research. So we got in touch with industry experts like Sudhir Sitapati from HUL. We were fortunate enough to work with him in building our deep customer understanding, translating that into customer insight into a branding idea, marketing idea. Now we are going to launch our first brand campaign, and doing this in a very scientific way where you are always able to do focus group discussions with customers and validate your ideas ahead of time. That gives a lot of confidence and a science and structure to scaling. So I think if you have arrived at a product market fit, working with X to 10x gives you that structure to every aspect of scaling, whether it is performance management in human capital, whether it is, as we discussed, brand management. It could be how you onboard more lender partnerships in our case. Those things are not available at one place. Typically, if you were to build that kind of expertise, you will have to talk to 10 different people in the ecosystem. But with X to 10x help, a lot of that is in-house. They also have industry expertise, good relationship with them. So pulling in those resources is something which a founder can look forward to.